Guys, we have had a delivery, and when I say a delivery, I mean the most exciting parcel that could ever grace my door, and that is of course a LUSH delivery. And I am so excited to dive into this one because this one is a collaboration. We are unboxing it, and I haven't even really looked too much into this collab yet because I wanted this to be a surprise. So we're going to be unboxing the Scooby-Doo collaboration with LUSH Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to be doing it because I love Scooby-Doo. Like, Scooby-Doo brought me up. I'm gonna be real, like Scooby-Doo would always be on TV in my house, and I just can't wait to dive into these products. So I do just want to give a massive shout out thank you to LUSH because these products have ever so kindly been gifted, and I cannot wait to just go through them and share with you my excitement because I'm so excited to go through these products. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful even the card is. I am sorry, that is stunning. We've got Shaggy and Scooby on the backdrop. Okay, I don't want to spoil it for myself. Let's just get the parcel. Okay, let's lift it together. Oh no, I'm making a mess. Are you actually kidding me? Let's just on the floor for a second. You've got to be kidding. You have got to be kidding. We have a mystery machine delivering the products. That's so cool. Oh, I don't want to open it. I think I should be able to open it and seal it back together. So we're going to have to do a very careful unboxing because I really don't want to ruin it. I have got packing peanuts all over the place. Okay, so let's just take a moment for the packaging because this is the most insane box I've ever seen. We have got all the gang on the front. We have got them on the side. This is beautiful and I'm just so excited. I actually cannot. So I am a big Daphne girl. If you didn't know, that is my favourite character, as it should be, because obviously Sarah Michelle Gellar, if you guys don't know, Buffy the Vampire Slayer plays Daphne, and also she married Fred in real life. It's just perfection. But yeah, Daphne's my fave. Let me know your fave characters down below. But yeah, if it's not Daphne or Scooby, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so let's dive into the products. So the first thing we have is this shower gel, which looks stunning, let me tell you. Look at the beautiful label, but also the colour of the shower gel itself. Again, is that really beautiful iridescency style of shower gel, which we had in the kitchen box and I'm obsessed with. But yeah, the packaging alone, absolutely beautiful. So in terms of ingredients, this one has got things like, I should wear my glasses because I cannot see. I'm doing a Velma right now, like I can't see without my glasses. That is what I'm doing. So we have got Vanilla Absolute. We have also got Coronation Petal Infusion. We have got Bergamot Oil, Lemon Myrtle Oil. We've got Benzoin Resinoid. Let's give it a smell and see. Whoa, she's full. Look at that. Can you guys see? I feel like it's focusing on my face. She is very full. Ooh. I'm sorry, the iridescent, that's stunning. That smells delish. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like vanilla-y, creamy, florally. Oh, it's so delicious. Wow, I feel like if you like sweet or florally scents, you'd really love this one. It's also very gentle, not overpowering, but I just can't. The packaging, I am obsessed. Obsessed. I'll show you guys one more time because of how obsessed I am. That is absolutely beautiful. And then you have also got the full list of ingredients on the back, and I'm just obsessed. The next item we have is the shower jelly for the range, and this is the Zoinks shower jelly. This is a beautiful two-toned jelly which has a really lovely kind of gradient from green to blue. So stunning. And again, the packaging, I'm sorry, look at the label. It's absolutely beautiful. Honestly, props to anyone who is in the design team because these are always just top tier. I love them. And in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got lemon oil, lavender oil, seaweed absolute. We have also got Lava Seaweed Infusion. I have no idea what that is, but I need to open it and smell it instantly. Look at the lid with all the kind of gauze on. So cool. Love that. I feel like these ones are all ones from the film as well, like the Live action. Ooh, what is that smell? Big Blue. This smells like Big Blue. Big Blue bath bomb. That is delicious. Wow. It's super fresh. Oh, that's so good. If you like things like Collis and stuff like that, you would really like Big Blue. It's a very fresh, like slightly citrusy, just like, I can't describe it other than fresh. It's such a good smell though. I love that. And I'm just really excited about that jelly. So that is that one, and I just cannot wait. Very excited about that. The next item is really funny because we did actually just mention Velma's glasses. We have got Velma's glasses as an eye mask. This is so fun. So this is the My Glasses eye mask, and ingredients in this one, we have got chamomile water, carrageenan extract, fresh cucumber, witch hazel extract. This is so fun. Are you kidding? Like, they're actually glasses. Mine are a little bit broken, I've just noticed, which is a shame, but I am going to have the most incredible time popping these on when I'm in the bath later. I cannot wait. And as you guys know, I always find these kinds of eye masks a little bit like hit or miss, because I always feel really vulnerable, like when they're over my whole eye. But like, I could totally open my eyes and see. I mean, not really, but kind of through these glasses. So I cannot wait to try these ones out. And on the card it says, Jinkies, you've unmasked phantoms peppier than you. Soothe overworked peepers, that's funny, with cucumber and chamomile water, and leave the brain work to the rest of the gang for once. I'm so excited. I love these. Oh, I feel like I want to give them a smell. Hang on. Oh, wow. I really wish smell-o-vision like exists, because this is hard to describe. It's just a very light smell. Very light, very slight, like, I don't know. It's leaning on the floral, but not overly overpowering, if that makes sense. It's delicious though. That is really good. And lastly, we have 2 bath bombs in this range. I think the only thing we didn't get sent in the PR box was the body spray. The next item we have, let's do this one. I am so excited for this. So this is the Mystery Machine bath bomb. How intricate and beautiful is this? I absolutely love the look of this one. So this one says, swap chills for thrills in a... Hang on, I cannot read it, one sec. Swap chills for thrills in a perfectly fresh and floral soak for villains and meddling kids alike. In terms of ingredients, we have got bergamot oil, neroli oil, ylang ylang oil, we've got dark cilantro and patchouli oil, we've got corn protein, we have got gardenia extract. That's good. That is good. What is that? Oh, wait. Do things smell different? We've had this smell before, 100%. I would honestly put money on it. This is not a new smell. But what it is, I don't know. It smells like a bath bomb that we have had before. It's very fresh, fruity, citrusy. It's good. Whatever it is really good. But I'm sorry, the look of it alone is stunning. And honestly makes me want to buy 12. That is so good. Yum, yum, yum. 10 out of 10 Lush. So delicious. And of course, I had to save the main guy for last. This is the Scooby Doo bath bomb. Look at his little face. He is so cute. So this one says, boring baths. Fancy in... Hang on, wait a minute. Your girl can't read today. I don't know what's going on with me. Fancy investigating groovy green waters infused with zesty lime oil instead. Like, come on. We know Scooby-Doo. Oh, wait. You know... I can't read. We know you Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Okay, let's go through the ingredients. So in this one, we've got lime oil, neroli oil, gardenia extract. We have also got... Is that it? I think that might be it. I knew I could smell it. I knew I could smell Collis in this box. He smells like Collis, which is a super limey, fresh, sweet lime smell. Oh, it's so delicious. If you guys ever smelt Monsters Ball, it's the same smell. It's so delish. Look how cute he is. I cannot cope. Oh, that's incredible. Incredible. So that is everything for my Lush Scooby-Doo haul. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and again, I do just want to share my thank yous with Lush for sending me these products. I'm so grateful, honestly. Every time you guys offer to send me something, I just feel so incredibly lucky and overwhelmed. So I just want to give you guys again another thank you. And also, if you guys would like to get yourselves any of these items, then I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is down below. If you guys spend over £15 until the 1st of November, you will receive a little bottle of Lord of Misrule shower gel, which is so exciting. Obviously there are other T's and C's which I will have all down below. But yeah, if you guys want to get anything from this range, do let me know what you guys purchase, because I am so tempted to get the body spray. Like, I need to know what it smells like. I love the packaging anyway, and to have that on my like dressing area, like I would just love it. So I might have to grab that anyway, but I'm so overwhelmed, if you couldn't tell, with joy from this collection. It's so good and I just love it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the collection as well down below. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 13,000 of you. I upload a lot on this channel and it's usually vlogs, bookish things, lush things. You guys know the drill, so make sure you subscribe. I love you guys so incredibly much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.